In this tutorial I will show you how to crochet a dress. For this dress you will need light worsted yarn. On my blog you can find recommendations and more info about the yarn that I used. Also you will need a crochet hook size USI, and it will be useful if you have some stitch markers. So let's start working on the dress. The size that I've made is size M, so the tutorial is also based on size M. But on my blog you can find info about sizes XS up to 3XL. We will start with 44 chains or any other amount that you will need for your size. And then at the end we will turn our work. We will skip the first chain and then we will work one single crochet stitch, chain 2, one single crochet stitch in the second chain. Then we skip the next chain and again we work one single crochet, we chain 2 and we make one single crochet stitch in the next stitch. And this is what we will do till the end. So we skip the next stitch and then in the stitch after that we will work one single crochet stitch, chain 2, one single crochet stitch. Next we will not turn our work, but we will continue working on the other side of the chains where we just made the stitches, and we will repeat the exact same. So we will work one single crochet stitch, chain 2, one single crochet stitch, and we skip the next stitch. Row 3 to 9 we will repeat what we just did. So we chain 2, now we do turn our work and we work in the chain 2 spaces from the previous row. We will make one single crochet, we chain 2 and we make a single crochet, and then we move to the next chain 2 space. Repeat this for 7 rows until you've finished row 9. And now you can cut the yarn because we are going to work on the side. Now we will continue working on the dress, which is made with half double crochet stitches. Skip 4 chain 2 spaces and start working in the 5th chain 2 space. This is the same for every size. Attach the yarn by making a half double crochet stitch in the chain 2 space and make another half double crochet stitch, because in every chain 2 space we are going to work 2 half double crochet stitches, and then we will make one half double crochet stitch in between the single crochet stitches. And this is what we will repeat. And so work 2 half double crochet stitches in the chain 2 space and one half double crochet stitch in between the stitch. At the end of this row you will have 4 chain 2 spaces left, just like how we started the row. Row 2 till 5 we will chain 2 and we will work one half double crochet stitch in every stitch till the end. And in the next 8 rows we will chain 2 and work 2 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then we will work one half double crochet stitch in every stitch till the end. And in the last stitch we will work 2 half double crochet stitches. Row 14 we will start with chain 2 and then we will make 3 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch. One half double crochet stitch in every stitch till the end. and 3 half double crochet stitches in the last stitch. Depending on which size you make, you will need to repeat row 14 a few more times. So please check out the written pattern on my blog, because here you can find how many times you need to repeat row 14 depending on which size you make. When you finish the last row of your size, then make sure to attach your stitch marker, because this is where your armhole will end. From now on it's super simple. We will start with 2 chains and we will make 2 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in every stitch till the end. And also in the last stitch we will only make 1 half double crochet stitch. And I know I've said it a few times, but I highly recommend checking out the written pattern on my blog, because depending on which size you make, you will need to repeat this row a few more times to get a longer length. And when you finished the last row of your size, then it's time to start working on the border. We will skip the first stitch and then we will make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch, and this is what we will repeat till the end. So skip 1 stitch and then work 1 single crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch. At the end we will make 1 single crochet stitch in the last stitch. The next 8 rows, in every chain 2 space we will make a 1 single crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 single crochet stitch till the end. When you finish the last row, you can fasten off. And this is how the border looks like after finishing the last row. So we just finished the first panel and you will need to make 2. When you finish the second one, it's time to seam them together. As you can see, I skipped the stitches of the border and I started seaming together where the half double crochet stitches start. And I seamed all the way up to the armhole where the stitch marker is. I just inserted the needle in every back loop of every stitch. You can use any technique you prefer or which you are used to. You need to seam both sides and at the shoulder where the collars connect. That's it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's a really simple pattern. Some parts of the dress are slightly oversized. You can use any yarn that has similar weight, and I'm really curious which yarn you are going to use. So if you make a dress, please send me a picture or tag me on Instagram, because I would love to see it, and I hope to see you at my next tutorial. Bye!